DJA TV.
It don't happen again for Abuja. As it be say one young girl, when policemen stop based on lockdown, stay at home order, he not gree obey them, he drive. Even one policeman jump on top, now say they can, they go zoom. Now God save that policeman. He for die. Now God save that policeman. Only my eye no go see him. Make una check am for the video for yourself.
Stop! Stop! No! Oh my goodness. Punish you. God punish you. I punish you.
My tire.
God punish you.
Because he asked me to wind down, and I refused to wind down. They're not wearing masks.
God punish you. Okay. Sorry.
Where's your protection? Why are you asking me to wind down? You work with AIT, don't you?
Una say until na God na save am. If not be small thing, if I don't go, thy kingdom come. Well, when they come ask the girl, why you not gree stop? He say why him go stop? When he be say the people when they stop am, they not wear face mask. I been like the girl talk. Government not make all of us they put on face mask. Who want die from coronavirus? I beg, make we dey obey. Whether we be law enforcer, law maker, or law hearer, all of us they obey the law as it be. Make I move to the next video. Nigerian police and Pogiri. They be like twins when you know fit separate. And the more the thing they cause wahala for them, the more they do am. This next story come from Anambra State, where one man come out from a house jejely, go bank, wan go collect money, make him take care of his family based on the lockdown. As he don't collect the money, make it go as don't meet the family. Now police shoot the tire. Because say not stop for them to give them Pogiri. Make una check the video.
I stay here, and as you can see, many people gathered because of this incident. You all see what is happening. Without doing nothing, police standing and demanding for money. That I'm still alive is because of people who saw what is happening here, gathered and refused them not to take me, go anywhere. This is second stage of my video. So, I thank everybody that is here and all these people, my brothers that are securing me from the police. If not, I would have been a dead man. Now I'm trying to change the tire they have exploded with their gun. Does this worth shooting human being or shooting my tire at all? To take money, just a stone throw from where I am here to Zenith Bank, and they shoot, asking for bribe on this dangerous season. But I'm afraid that the crowd is too much before something else will happen. But this problem is police that caused this problem, and they know they are at fault. They have been begging. Police will not beg me if they are the fault. They keep on begging for settlement. But I'm scared to follow them, because what they did just now doesn't want anybody to follow them and trust them to follow them in order to make peace. So whatever happened now, I don't know. Yeah. But it's all these people, the people that actually stand and say no for the police that are doing injustice. I will appreciate them every day of my life, because nobody knows what will happen to me if not their intervention.
Those policemen, they are not ready to work for Nigerian force.
That's it.
Yes, they are not ready to work for Nigerian force. They will put their clothes out.
And thank God for the Umunze people. At least these people will bear me witness what is happening here today. If anything happens to me, well, I don't know. But government should realize that we ordinary people have our own rights. We have our own rights. Police cannot just commonly abusing us because of what? Should address this problem. They should address it to the core.
There is no money for the first time. For your life, and then I wagon. I'm not going
Well, let me do work on my car first, please. I will go anywhere you want. Let me work on my car. My name is Mokwe Henry Jones. I'm a citizen of Nigeria, precisely Umuchu in Agwata local government, Anambra State. I'm not a foreigner. Why would police treat me like this? Now, if you cannot do that, then you leave it. They're trying to change my tire. I also don't know how to do it. Hey, excuse me. Don't lose something. No. No, don't touch this. It's not spare tire. It's just a small knob. I don't know where is it. Once you see it, not this, I beg. Don't lose what you don't know. Something cover it. Better tie this one back. Tie them back, I beg you. As you can hear our life, people are seeing. I'm not afraid anymore. At least if I die, there will be people that will say exactly what's happening here today. That is it. No, not that thing. I want one. And when something, and when I don't know how to get by, yeah, when you're talking that, and when something they can, you may pay. Don't worry. No, this is for Jack. This is for Jack. I tell them when they leave it. Leave it. See what I mean, because I'm not happy to walk. I'm miserable. So, yeah, happy. Yeah, careful, that Joram tire because over the tire. Let me put it. Without no cause, this man shoot my tire and threatening even to kill me. It's lockdown. Lockdown have procedure. I'm going to the bank to collect money to feed ATM. That's going to happen. I went for another jury chotaya.
man driver, every motor. I just said to Russia, I said to Alafuma, I said to Alafuma, I have good motor. I said, I'm not I'm a soldier. I can give you. If the matter arises, I don't see the policeman is right. Just come and let me collect you.
I will not. Are you not the one that asked me to change the tire? We tried to change the tire.
Officer, the thing is, we never see you here. That's the show. You know what? We have to go. That idea. Please, we have to go.
The soldier man want me to go settle, so I want to off the video. I will assume update what's happening. Please, thank you for your effort.
You can go and arrest. We are soldiers here. I had the fire you tire. You have your witnesses. You understand me? I was not here. Me, I'm a soldier. I don't want anything to happen here. It has happened before. They killed staff here. So that's what I'm trying to say. Let things go. So I can drop in your tent.
I don't need to go. My house is very close here. I don't. Umuchu. I just.
Please, I'm going to marry on your wife. Avoid tension. We have so many times.
See my tire. See my tire. They shoot it down. They shoot. Policeman shoot. Not soldier. I have nothing. It's police that shoot my tire.
Just leave your photo.
Wait.
I
just can nothing with you. I don't know what happened. Yes, I mean, you know what happened between you and the body. So despite this crowd, they will go and rest, not to touch his car. So that something will not happen, they will blame you again. Win your case very well, I beg. I don't know what happened. Chairman.
Wait.
We can go rest.
Where are we?
Are you a stranger here?
I don't need to rest.
Calm down.
Go and rest.
You are speaking with soldier. Calm down.
Let me go take money I came to take. Send it here.
Push it.
Follow me, I beg you. That's why I come in down. You can see the sin these people cause. It's not me that caused.
Nothing we Nigerians no go see for police people hand. They give you gun now to protect us. We the masses. Now our tax money they take they pay on our salary. They not say make una they kill us with our tax money they pay on our salary. I beg police people wanyo. Not be so they say they get money. Ogiri no they make person craze. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you say they watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this.
DJM TV.